without a backbone is called a what, ladies and gentlemen? That is opposed. An invertebrate. Okay, and we are going to be talking about these invertebrates. There are a couple of different classifications, or a couple of different kinds. And the biggest thing to remember is these are animals without a backbone. What are animals with a backbone called? Gretchen? Vertebrates. So let's see what we learned about animals without a backbone. Let's talk a little bit about these invertebrates. We just discussed or just read that these invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. So if they don't have a backbone, ladies and gentlemen, how do they get their support? There were a couple of different ways that we talked about, and we need to write those down. They have other structures for support. What are some of those structures? Back? No, not their legs. Gretchen? Okay. So what kind of an animal? Okay, so they have other structures for support. Okay, these structures are, Gretchen said, a hard outer covering, right? What type of an animal has that? Insect. Oh, you meant shell. I'm thinking totally opposite here. I'll give you this one. We'll come back to it. Who has a hard outer covering? Maddie, what type of an animal has a hard outer covering? No. No, an insect. Okay, so that is one. And then, Gretchen, tell me again, they have a what? They have a hard shell. Some have hard shells. And what are those? What kind of animals have those? Clams or lobsters. Okay, what other types of structures do we have? Haley? A soft sac filled with liquid. And why? What kind of an animal has that? Worms and sea bellies. Okay. Are we missing anything? What was one important fact that they said about the size of these invertebrates? Angel, what is it? Right. Most invertebrates are smaller than the vertebrates because the structure they have can't support being tall or large. Okay? Could you imagine an elephant? If an elephant did not have bones or a backbone, it looked like a blob just kind of laying there. Okay? A big blob, gray blob. So most invertebrates are smaller because of their support structure. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so we have 4 different groups of invertebrates. What is the first group? Or a group? Give me a group. Kaylee. Sea jellies. And tell me about sea jellies. Tell me about the sea jellies. What are they? What are their characteristics? Nathan? Sea jellies have soft bodies. Okay. They have soft bodies and long, stinging body parts. What else do we know about these sea jellies? Jake? The body of the sea jelly is made so their body is made mostly of water. Anything else that we need to know about these sea jellies? Why? Okay. So it stings its prey before eating. Anything else about the sea jelly we need to know? Bella? Yep. All right. These are commonly what we would call jellyfish. Okay? Yeah. All right. What is another group, Maddie, of invertebrates? Worms. What are important for us to know about worms, guys? Megan? Yes. They help keep the soil healthy. Anything else? Adam? Okay. They have long, soft bodies. And no legs. Anything else? I think that's pretty much covered it. We've all seen what an earthworm looks like. We'll talk about different kind of worms, I believe. There's several different kinds, 3 if I recall correctly. All right, what is our next, our third group of invertebrates that we're talking about? Zach? Arthropods. Okay, what is important about arthropods? Sophie, what is important about arthropods? They are, and I'm going to put this in all caps. They are the largest group of invertebrates. Okay, why do you think I put that in all caps? Madison? It's important for us to remember. What else do we know about arthropods? Gretchen? Yeah. Their body has more than one main part. Haley? Okay. Has a hard outside covering. Anything else? Jake? Yeah, their legs have joints. Anything else of importance? Angel? Anything else? Yeah. Insects. Spiders. Crabs. Okay. All right. What is our last and final group? Lacey, what's our last and final group? Say it. Crazy one. What letter does it start with? You're right. Who knows how to pronounce that crazy word? Why? Mola. Okay, what do I need to know about mollusks? Haley. Hard shells and eyes. What else? Adam? They have soft bodies, but they have hard shells. Anything else important? Megan? Okay, octopus with and glands and snails. All right. Questions about any of our four groups? Mason? What's a mollusk? A mollusk? We just went over that.